Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today we have come to that car nation to grease our caliper pins of Honda City. तो Honda City का जो caliper pin है वो greasing होगा. Last service में we couldn't do it. ठीक है ना? किसी में सपोर्ट में दीजिए, नहीं तो पाइप टूट जाएगा. दिस इज सिलिकॉन ग्रीस और कैलिपर में सिलिकॉन ग्रीस नहीं तो कैलिपर का जो डेजिग्नेटेड ग्रीस है वो ही लगाना चाहिए. Always apply proper silicone grease or designated caliper grease that comes in pouches. ठीक है ना ये ग्रीस? ठीक है. Actually, whenever you are going for any caliper greasing, remember to use silicone grease or grease that is specified for caliper greasing. Don't use any multi-purpose or any local grease because it will do more harm than good. तो ये चीज़ आपको ज़रूर ध्यान देना चाहिए. Always use the grease specified for your calipers. So here you can see the grease. জ্বলছে আলো? পেছনে যখন brake service, when the rear brakes are serviced, there are some points where just a little bit of grease is applied, but there is no such greasing calipers or like that. Since there are drum brakes at the back, so now they will tighten up the calipers and you are done. Caliper greasing, and this is the way how you do it, and remember to do it once in a year or every 10,000 kilometers to keep your caliper healthy and maintain proper braking efficiency in your front disc brakes. And always use the type of grease I mentioned, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, because it is yours. Like and subscribe help to sustain our channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste.